Hi students, good morning everyone. This is Sharma, working as a maths assistant in Dr. Management Public School, CBSE Completed School. So today I have came to you with lot of magical tricks in mathematics, which is very useful to your competitive examination and make math easy. So not only for the children, so people who are preparing for the competitive examination, these tricks are very useful. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So the first trick is on percentages. So people while doing percentages will struggle a lot how to calculate the percentage. So now I am going to teach you how easily we can calculate percentage by seeing the question itself. So let us start from the lower level. For example, if they have asked you, for example, 10 percentage. What is 35 is 10%. So what I do is, I just keep a dot in between 3 and 5. Once check and calculate 35 10%. It is absolutely 3.5. Okay, so one more example. For example, they have asked you what is 190 is 10%. So I am writing 190 as it is 10%. After one digit, you just keep it on. That is 19. In this manner, you can you can calculate 10%. So after that, if they ask you what is 45's, what is 45's 30%? If they are asking you, so just do one thing, just multiply 45 with 3. Just multiply 45 with 3. So what is 45 with 3? 340 is 120, 35 is 15. 120 plus 15, that is 135, right? So after 5, keep it up. So 13.5. So hope you have understood this trick with tens and multiples of 10. Suppose they are asking you what is 35%, 35% of something. Of for example, 70. They ask you what is 70 of 35%. So just I will split this into two parts. 30 plus 5. 30 plus 5. So while doing for the first time, it will take lot of time. By practice, it will be more easy, more faster, and more accurate. So for 30, I said already, you have to multiply with 3 and keep a dot. So I am multiplying with 3. I am multiplying 70 with 3. That is 210 and keeping a dot. So 30% is 21. Keep it aside. Now let us calculate 5%. So for calculating 5, first what I do is, first I will calculate 10%. Already I said how to calculate 10%. So just keep a dot here. So it will be 7. And what is half of 7? That is 3.5. So that is 24.5. If you calculate also, you get the same answer. Just not by using any pens or pencils or paper, just mind calculation. So if you practice more and more, the faster you get the answer. So let us go with the other example. What is 48 of 45%? Okay, so I already said split that into two parts. So that is 40 plus 5. So 40 means you have to multiply with 4. 44 is 160, 4 is 32, 160 plus 32, that is 192. 192. I am keeping a dot here. 19.2. And what is 5 first calculate 10 and divided by 2. So 4.8 half is 2.4. So I am adding 2.4 here, that is 6. 9 plus 2 by 1. Next 21.6. Hope you guys have understood this percentage trick. So if they have given you other than this, for example, if they have done let's take one more example, 67%. Okay, 67%. Now I am dividing it with 60 plus 7. I already said how to calculate 60%. Multiply the number with 6 and keep a dot. 7. In the next trick, I will explain that multiplication also very easily. So you can get more faster. So let me complete this. Okay, in this manner. So 76 are 420 and 5 6 are 30. So 420 and 30, that gives 450. So 450. I said already for 10% you have to keep after one digit down. So that is 45. So 60% completed. Now how to calculate 7? So you just calculate with 75 with 7 multiply. So 70 into 7 490 and 7 5s are 35. So 490 and 35, that gives 525. So 525. After that I will keep dot after 2 digits as it is 1%. 1 into 7 no? So after that for 1% I will keep the dot after 2 digits, that is 5.25. So that is 50.25. Hope you guys understood. So before closing this trick, let me explain it once again so that you can understand it well. So for any given number, first let us start with 10%. How to calculate 10%? So for any given number, if you want to calculate 10%, for example 75 you want to calculate 10%, just keep a dot after one digit. For example 75 10% they ask, that is 7 5 is there, no? 5 after keep a dot, that is 7.5. So hope you guys have understood this 10%. Now coming to multiples of 10 like 20, 30, 40, blah blah blah. How to calculate? So for 30 you have to multiply with 3, for 40 you have to multiply with 4, for 50 you have to multiply with 5 and keep a dot. So hope you guys understood. Next, what to do with the 5%? Just calculate 10% and make it half and add it. So you can do. Next, what is the situation when we get a percentage like this, 67, 63, 62? First, divide it 60 plus 2. So we are familiar with calculating 60. And what about 2%? Now multiply the number with 2. And after 2 digits you keep point and add them. You will get the answer. So last and final example to make you understand more better. So I am going with 65 of 22%. How to calculate 65 of 22%? So here I have divided with two parts, 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2. So already we know that 65 into 2, 62 is 125 is 10, 120 plus 10, that is 130. After that you just keep a dot. So 130, after 1 digit you just keep a dot, that is 10, 60% calculated. So what about this 2%? So I already said that 65 multiply with 2, I already got that answer, that is 13. Now I am adding after keeping dot after decimal point after 2 digits. So 130 after 2 digits means 1.30. So 0, 3, Now 4, here 1. So 14.30 is your answer. Hope you guys understood. So next, children, let me go with the next trick. Children are facing difficulty in remembering the tables. This is a very difficult task to all students. So to keep in the mind all the tables, right? So for their beneficial, I am doing this trick. So for example, suppose 19 times 7, 19 times 7. So is your question. So how to do this? Okay, how to do this in an easy manner? So calculation is the same, but while using this trick, if you are familiar, it will be very faster than the usual normal method. For example, 19 times 7. So usually we calculate from this side onwards. Now for making more faster, what I am doing is I am just calculating from this side. I am making this space into two parts by making a slash. 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. That's it. Okay, 7 ones are 7. I have written 7 nines are 63. I have written. I just make up the 6 with the 7. That is 30. Here comes your answer 133. Okay. So any number, for example, 56 into 5. For example, 56 into 5. So 5 for 5 there is other trick, but let us go with this trick only as I am teaching with this trick. 5 is 25. And 6 5 is 30, right? I am carrying this 3 to here, that is 280. Okay, next 75 into 9, 75 times 9, 63 and 45. 4 goes here, that is 6 7 5. Last example, let me explain last example. 67 times 8. 67 times 8. 6 8 is 48. 7 8 is 56. 4 plus 5. 48 plus 5, that is 53 by 36. Hope you guys understood this trick. How to calculate one digit with the 2-digit number. Not only 2-digit number, every 1 digit multiplied by 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, will get a faster answer by multiplying that like this. Better than the regular normal method which we are using for multiplication. So practice this, not lead by just seeing this trick. Practice more examples to make it habituated. So your math will improve a lot, I promise you. So let us see for the next one. Now we multiply with 1 digit with 2 digit number, 3 digit number. Okay. Let's multiply 2 digit with a 2 digit number, right? So for example, I'm taking here 27 into 28, 27 into 28, right? So now what I'm doing is I'm just dividing the space into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay. So just I am writing these two multiplication product. 7 8s are 56. 2 times 2 is 4. Here cross multiplication is required. 2 8s are 16. 7 2s are 14. 16 and 14. So here I am writing here 56. 16 and 14, if you add, you get 30 and 4 here. Now just carry that 6, 5, this 3 if it comes here, it is 7. that is 756, right? So by seeing you may get doubt, sir, our regular method takes the same time, then what is the use of using this trick? So to explain you, I have taken a little bit time more. So if I do myself, in the mind itself, I calculate and get the answer. So if you practice, definitely you will take less time than the regular usual methods, right? So I'll go with one more example to make you understand better. That is 35 into 31. Okay, so in the same manner, I make the plane into 3 parts. 5 here, 9. Okay, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. 5. No need to carry 0 here. If you carry also, the result won't change. Here 18. Next here 9. So 5 as it is 8, and 1 carry here, it will be 10. So 1085. Hope you guys understood this trick. In this manner, we will calculate a 2-digit number into 2-digit number. So it will be more easier. So this is the third trick, and let us look for the fourth trick. So for example, it's the question there. Here 41 into 41, like so 41 into 41. Okay, so how to calculate the numbers ending with 1 and in the tens place the same digit. Okay, so very easy to calculate. So write 1 as it is and add the numbers. After that, multiply the numbers. 4 plus 4, that is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. You just check, you get that same answer, right? Next, for example, take one more example, 71 into 71, right? So 1 here, 7 plus 7, that is 14. Keep in mind, 1 will be carried. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 1, it's 50. So answer will be 5041. One more trick for your better understanding. 121 into 121. Okay. So 1 here, 12 plus 1, 24. 4 here. Keep in mind 2 will be carried. 12 times 12, that is 144. 144 plus 2, that is 146. So this is your answer. So hope you guys understood this trick. So let's move on. The next calculate how to multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. So here is the condition that tens place digit should be equal and ones place should be complement of each other, like 9 and 1, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. If it is there, how to calculate easily than the regular method. Let us try it now. For example, it is given 75 times 75. 75 times 75. Just write 5 times 5, that is 25. After 7, what's that is it? 8. So 7 times 8, that is 56. 5, 6, 2, 5. Right? Let us see one more example. 37 into 33. Right? So 7 times 3 is 21. After 3, what's the digit? 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So 1, 2, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So how to calculate that easily? Okay. So here, count how many sixes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sixes. Here, 3 sixes. Here, 2 sixes. Here, 1 6. Right? So how to calculate that easily? Let us see now. So now let's multiply this number. Here, how many sixes are there? We just multiply that number with the 6. Okay? So 4 times 6 is 24. 2 here. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 2 here. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 here. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So this is your answer. 7404. Hope you guys understood. So now let us see one more example. If it is given, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right? So calculate how many. Now let us start with this. Let us start with 5 threes, and after 4 threes, 3 threes, 2 threes, and 1 3. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5, 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 30, 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1. 2 times 3 is 6, 7. 3 ones are 3. So this is your answer, 37035. So hope you guys all understood this trick, and hope everybody will watch this video and make use of these tricks. I'll be back with one more interesting video. So until then, stay tuned. Thank you everyone. Thank you.